Hey, what's going on, guys? So someone left a comment saying they wanted me to downgrade an iPhone 5 but not using Cool Booter, and this isn't using Cool Booter, this is using something else. If you guys have any suggestions of videos that you want me to do, let me know in the comments below and I might be able to do them. So here we have my iPhone 5 connected up to my MacBook using this very stable cable. And if we go over to my MacBook here, we see that we have Legacy iOS Kit open. I will put a link to where you can download Legacy iOS Kit. Unfortunately, it's only for macOS and Linux. So if you do not have a Mac or a Linux machine, you can't do this unless you have like a virtual machine or something. Go ahead and open it up, drag the file in, and boom, we have here the iPhone 5 here. And we have a bunch of options we can click on. We're gonna go ahead and do restore downgrade, and the version we can go down to is iOS 8.4.1, which is what we are going to be doing in this video. And when you're downgrading to iOS 8.4.1, I strongly suggest you jailbreak it. We're gonna go ahead and download the target IPSW just in case it's not already here yet. I didn't bother setting up this iPhone 5 because I just restored it back to iOS 10 because it got corrupted. But here, we're going to go ahead and start restore. And yes, please jailbreak the iOS 8.4.1 because if you don't, it will be completely unstable and crash, and we don't want that. So yes, jailbreak it. This option I'm not so sure about. If you want to speed it up, that's your choice. We're going to do the first option because it doesn't require it to be already jailbroken, so we're going to do that. Yes, put it to recovery mode. Boom. Now we are in recovery mode and it says, hey, you need to put it into DFU mode. So that's what we are going to do. We're going to put it in DFU mode. 3, 2, 1. Hold both the top power button and the home button for however long it says to. Boom, let go of the power button, just only hold the home button. And bam. Now we're gonna choose the first option for this. So we're gonna select that, and boom, it'll now restore to iOS 8. And here we are. iOS 8 has been installed. It's now on this iPhone 5. You no longer need a computer for this anymore. You can just set it up, do whatever, and boom. Now you're in iOS 8. It'll say the storage is almost full, but it's really not. Yeah, see, you still have a lot of space left. And boom, that is how you downgrade your iPhone 5 to iOS 8. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.